So I came in feeling a little bit under the weather. And I remember when I was young, my mom would make greens, and when we didn't feel good, sometimes we would drink the juice off of them. It's full of vitamins and minerals and all that good stuff. So sometimes I like to do the same thing and make hot liquor and just drink it like a tea. Makes me feel better. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you try this.